I hope you had a nice Christmas. Right about now, you're probably thinking, where am I going to put all these Christmas gifts? Or, what the heck am I going to do with all this leftover ham? Now, we can't help you with the gifts, but as for the ham, here's an idea. We start by cooking some egg noodles, just like normal. While those finish straining, we saute some chopped onion and celery until tender. Once they are, we add in a good amount of leftover ham that we've chopped up, and when it's heated through, we take it off the heat and stir in a can of cream of mushroom soup, some sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese, a bit of chopped pimento, and last but not least, our noodles. After this gets mixed, we'll spoon it into a casserole dish and it'll get baked for half an hour or so. By that time, everyone will be ready to see how you fancied up yesterday's leftovers. And when you bring this bubbling hot casserole to the table, will they ever be impressed? So here's what I suggest. Go online and look up Creamy Ham Casserole. This way, you won't be eating leftover ham sandwiches for the rest of the year. We also have a bunch of other ways to use up that ham, including our recipe for perfectly split pea soup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a clever way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.